Best Oculus Quest charging cable. Android Central, 2021. The Oculus Quest 2 ships with a 1-meter cable, far too short to safely use while wearing the headset. While Oculus officially recommends you should only charge your headset with the charger that was included in the box, you can still find alternative cables easily, with many designed for Oculus Link. So whether you lost the cable that came in the box or want an Oculus Quest 2 replacement charging cord to make room-scale PC VR easier and safer, we've rounded up a variety of options that will fit your needs. Guaranteed compatibility. Quest 2 headset cable, 1 meter. Staff pick. If you just want a charging cable, Oculus sells replacement cables on its site. Admittedly, they're a bit overpriced for a 1-meter cable. Still, at least you know for sure that it'll supposedly preserve the longevity of the headset by providing the correct amount of voltage. Able to recharge your headset in just a couple of hours, it's the safest replacement cable for Quest 2 owners that don't need it for link. Note, we can't link directly to the cable. Scroll down Oculus accessories page to find it. $19 at Oculus. Charge everything. Anker charging dock for Oculus Quest 2, Oculus certified. This dock technically has a 4-foot cable inside, so we'll include it here. Recharge your Quest 2 and both touch controllers simultaneously. It ships with rechargeable batteries and custom battery covers so the controllers can recharge without taking the batteries out. The only negative is that the headset doesn't fit with the Elite strap with battery attached. Check Shopee Thailand. Check Amazon. Unmatched for PC VR. Oculus Link cable. This 16-foot cable serves two purposes. The obvious one is that it can connect to your PC to play Rift or Steam VR games with enough length to let you move around the room with some freedom. In this mode, it'll charge, but the headset will still drain over time. As for standard charging, this USB-C to USB-C cable can also slot into the included 10W charger and refill your battery at top speed. Long and fast. Uni-long USB Type-C 15 feet fast charging nylon braided cable, 5A20V. Practically any USB-C to USB-C cable will work with the standard Quest or Quest 2 power adapter, but the included cable forces you to keep the Quest 2 right next to the outlet. This 15-foot nylon braided cable will let your Quest sit anywhere nearby that's convenient and is durable enough to handle any yanks. It just doesn't have the data transfer speed for Link. $22 at Amazon. Short and speedy. VR cover premium USB-C cable for Oculus Quest 2 2M. Only twice as long as the official charging cable, this VR cover alternative is rated to handle Oculus Link and costs much less than most alternatives. In exchange for a short length, it only works if you stay seated directly next to your PC, but it can handle up to 5 gigabits per second and charging up to 20 volts 3A, more than enough for a quick top-off. This 3.2 General 1 USB-C cable will plug into the official Oculus power adapter, too. $9 at VR cover. Cheap, colorful charging. Rotec Blue USB-C to USB-C fast charging cable. Anyone looking to replace the official Quest 2 charging cable can get one of these reliable cables for half the price. Available in 19 colors and at either 1, 6, or 10 feet long, these Rotecs aren't built for link quality data transfer. Still, they will easily slot into the power adapter and get your headset recharged in no. From $10 at Amazon. Official Oculus Link alternative. Anker USB-C cable power line USB 3.0 to USB-C charger cable 10 feet. While Oculus would prefer you to buy the official Link cable, this serves as a more affordable, if shorter, alternative. In fact, its developers named it as the one alternative cable it tested that works to its satisfaction. It'll connect to a standard PC USB port without needing an adapter, but unfortunately, it won't plug into the standard power adapter for charging without one. $22 at Amazon. Right-angled link cable. TNE link cable for Oculus Quest 2. This USB 3.2 to USB-C cable maxes out to 16 feet, though you can downgrade to 13 or 10 depending on what you need. It also has a right-angle USB-C head. Matching the official cable, this gives you a much better fit into the headset, while a straight connector can cause more damage or even break off inside the headset if you yank it too hard. It's a popular choice for frugal Oculus Link users. $18 at Amazon. A link to the fast TNE 16 feet link cable. Charge and play. TNE's 16 feet USB-C to USB-C cable is long enough to plug into a charger so you can play longer without worrying about tugging on the cable. Like the official Oculus Link cable, this one has a 90-degree angle end to keep the cable in better shape over time and a handy Velcro strap to keep strain off the connector. It's also fast enough to run Oculus Link for desktop PC VR experiences. Just make sure your PC can handle full USB 3.0 speeds before trying this. $18 at Amazon. Top them off. Best Wind VR Quest 2 Control Air Charge Kit. Bestwind VR makes a unique charge kit for the Oculus Quest 2's 3rd Gen Oculus Touch controllers that comes with a particular rechargeable battery replacement, battery door, and a magnetic charging cable. The trick here is that these batteries have a little magnetic charger that fits inside the window on the replacement battery doors, enabling quick charging without removing the batteries. Pick them up with a Bestwind VR grip set for extra comfort. $52 at Amazon. Charge everything. Anker Powerline 3. The Oculus Quest 2 only pulls a set amount of charge, so power delivery cables are extreme overkill for recharging the headset. But if you want a cable that'll charge all your tech quickly, including your smartphones or laptops, this 60W cable will serve them all universally. Made of double-braided nylon, it'll even last you for years. Keep in mind that it doesn't have the data speeds necessary for Oculus Link, nor the length to play comfortably with it plugged in. $17 at Amazon. Yet another Link alternative. VR Cover Premium USB-C cable for Oculus Quest 2, 5 meters. One of the best Oculus Quest 2 accessories available today, the 5 meters VR Cover USB-C cable is another reliable option if you want both a Quest 2 replacement charging cable and a Link cable. 16 feet long, this cable can transfer up to 10 gigabits per second of data and 20 V3A of power, matching the specs of the official cable for much less. $49 at VR Cover. How to find the best Quest 2 replacement charging cables. There are two categories of products that could fit the bill here. Some people just want a longer USB-C cable to slot into the included Quest power adapter. In contrast, others want an Oculus Link compatible USB 3.0 to USB-C cable to handle data transfer and power charging simultaneously. Whichever of the two you choose, if not both, they should work with either the Oculus Quest or Oculus Quest 2. The exceptions on this list are the Anker charging dock and Bestwind VR charge kit, which only works with Quest 2 and its touch controllers. Remember that Oculus recommends you only use their official Quest 2 headset cable for charging or the Oculus Link cable for PC VR. The charging cable is only 1 meter, making it too short to charge your headset while you wear it, but Oculus support also suggests that you avoid charging your headset while it's in use. This is because the headset can get too hot while charging and playing, which could cause performance or stability issues. If you're willing to take that risk and want a longer USB-C cable, look for one that at least hits 5 volts 3A, so it gives your headset enough juice, such as the Unilong USB Type-C cable, listed above are any of the best USB-C cables available. It's worth noting that most Oculus Link cables will not keep the Quest powered indefinitely. Users have found that the headset doesn't really start to pull a charge from any cable until the power level hits 80% or lower. After that, the cable will give the headset more power, but your battery will still steadily drain. That being said, some Link cables charge and transfer data better than others. If you can't afford the official Oculus option, Anker and TNE are great options, or you can check out some of the other best Link cable alternatives for the Oculus Quest 2. If you're looking for a way to extend your Oculus Quest or Oculus Quest 2's battery life without relying on a cable, try one of the best Oculus Quest 2 battery packs, which you can strap directly to your headset to extend the battery life for hours upon hours. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Stay powered. Keep the Oculus Quest or Quest 2 charged with one of these battery packs. One difficulty of mobile VR is keeping the device charged if you have particularly long sessions. Here are some recommendations to keep your Oculus Quest 2 or Oculus Quest going strong. Strap in. Relax your grip with these Oculus Touch hand straps and grips. When using Oculus Touch controllers, you must constantly keep your fingers clenched to avoid dropping them. Thankfully, there are a few reliable mods to replace the built-in straps with for more secure straps and grips, both for the original Touch controllers and the new Touch 2S VR on the go. These cases will help store or carry your original Oculus Quest. The Oculus Quest is the perfect VR headset for travel, so you'll need a reliable case to protect and store it while safeguarding your lenses and keeping accessories organized. These Oculus Quest cases fulfill both roles.